Before our makeover here in Penrith, it was fair to say there was a bit of Mother England's influence, and I'm not just talking about myself. Here is a little reminder. The street frontage always had some character, but now, blimey, it's beautiful. The old-fashioned wallpaper is out and a contemporary colour scheme is in. And all those frilly curtains, we banished the nana look and replaced them with sophisticated shades. They can even be operated with a remote control or an app on your smartphone. More gadgetry outside means the patio has protection from the elements, thanks to a solar-powered awning. And the pool that once looked like a swamp is now a sparkler. The new decking sets it off beautifully. And who could forget the pub? Other than these new French doors, we haven't touched it. It was too good already. That little piece of England had to stay. Just like me, really.